great week on the bus this week working on the subfloor. We got all of the framing and the insulation cut and fit and ready to go in.
So for the subfloor, we used 1x3s and 1x2s as the framing, and then we also used 1-inch extruded foam boards, which are the Pink Panther looking ones. And then we used 3/4-inch plywood as the actual subfloor.
So it's not all glued down and nailed down yet. That'll happen this week, but it's all ready to go. And we also pulled out a roof hatch this week and put in a skylight, so you'll see that in our video. Hope you enjoy.
To make the skylight, we removed the roof hatch, which was relatively easy because they were stainless steel screws. Only one of them actually was stripped. Next, we went and removed all the old adhesive, sealant, old paint, flattened out some of the high spots, and then painted over the roof. After that, I cut out a piece of Lexan, which ended up being 26 inches by 28 inches. Laid it over, measured out the holes, measured out the framing, which was aluminum 1-inch strips, about an 1/8 inch thick. Then I went and measured out some holes, drilled some holes into aluminum, measured out bigger holes for the Lexan so that way the screw wouldn't apply any stress, lateral stress to the Lexan. And then I brought everything up to the roof, mocked it up, measured out where the holes were going to be for the screws, drilled some pilot holes. Then I peeled off the bottom layer of Lexan, applied silicone to it, sealant, and then I applied sealant to the bottom of the aluminum stripping framing. And then I just screwed everything down. And then I applied a liberal amount of sealant around the screw heads, around the edges of the aluminum, around the edges of the Lexan, where it matched up or made it up to the roof. And it looks great.